In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Forms. Asana Forms are an excellent tool for streamlining workflows and gathering information efficiently within your projects. Let's walk through how to set them up and put them to good use. First, you'll want to head over to the Asana website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login page. To make things simple, we're going to log in using a Google account. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you wish to use for Asana. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your project. This is the space where you want to create a form, so make sure it's the right project for your needs. Once you're in your project, look towards the top right corner once more and you'll find the Customize option. Click on that, and this is where we start to mold your form. Inside the Customize menu, you'll need to click on Forms. This is a critical step as it brings you to the tool that will assist in gathering crucial information for your project. You'll notice an option to add. Click on this to begin the process of crafting your custom form. You'll have a variety of elements that you can include in your form, such as different fields, headers, and more. This is where you can really tailor your form to meet the specific needs of your project. Consider what type of information you need to collect and who will be filling out the form. Then add those fields accordingly. Fields can include text inputs, drop-down menus, and more, depending on your requirements. Once you have all your elements in place and you are satisfied with the setup, it's time to make the form available for use. Scroll down to the bottom of the Forms editor, where you will find the Publish button. Click on Publish to make your form live. It's now ready to use. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to implement Asana Forms into your project management toolkit. Remember, forms are a fantastic way to gather structured data without the back and forth of emails or messages. They help keep things organized and efficient, providing you and your team with the clarity needed for smooth project execution. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you can put Asana Forms to good use in your next project. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.